Good morning. Hello, girls. I can't believe how these turkey chicks have grown. I've come to collect your eggs. Oh, a lot of them are still sitting actually. Hello, girls. Okay, you know what? I've just decided I'm gonna come back later after these hens have finished sitting, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them still on. I'm pretty sure there's a couple of eggs underneath each one of them. It's only been about not even really 2 months since they started laying. Every day is so exciting to actually come and collect these eggs. And tomorrow's going to be 29.
It's like a losing battle with this creepy crawly. It goes for 5 minutes, gets a bunch of acorns stuck in its mouth.
Really? That is quite hectic. All these branches overhanging have tons of acorns on. Come, let's go for a walk. Something I've been wanting to do for a while actually is pick the pomegranates that we have in this pomegranate orchard, because almost pretty much every single one of them has been invaded by bugs or worms. I think it's a nice nutritional treat for the chickens, so I'm just going to pick a few and slice them up and give them some pomegranate. And these are all ripe, you see, but the problem is they're literally all stung and eaten from the bottom. Hot out here today, hey? Okay, I think that's enough. Got a treat for you all. Oh, they are really rotten, but I'm sure you're going to enjoy the little worms and bugs and seeds and things that are in here. Try. This is why we are unable to eat these, because they're just completely gone. Even the pigs love it. What you doing today, Elliot? Oh, taking the weeds out. Yeah. Okay. Looks very nice. Yeah. I'm off to fetch the school kids. Rebecca, Eva, and Augustine. You ready? I'm ready. There they all are. I don't think they're all going to be in a very good mood, because we're actually 40 minutes late. We're home, we're home. Okay. Got this little parrot at the pet shop. Fluffy. Hi everyone!
Jess, Sarah must be too young. She said, hello my darling.
Thank you, what? Camera?
Little parrot, my parrot and my cat.
There is. You can enter the dome, because we also have the twist.
There we go. Basically what's going on here is my dad and mom are taking Emma and Rebecca to Italy for 3 weeks, and they're just working out their itinerary for the trip.
It's the Vatican Museum tour, yes. The Sistine Chapel, yes. The St. Peter's Basilica and Square overview tour, yes. The elite English. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's 25.
Yes.
We're at the seedlings nursery place. Coming to pick up some seedlings for my dad's veggie garden. We have to come here quite often because Rebecca eats so much.
Walk down and see what
Just make the ordinary.
My feet are having a little therapy session. Healthy, healthy, healthy.
Are these strawberries? No. What is this?
Asters.
What's that?
It's flowers.
Oh, okay.
Kale.
These are
Yes.
cutest little
They're
plants.
so cute.
Sweet basil.
So cute.
Looks like some weird form of dance, but actually it's just Rebecca trying to wash her feet. Is that our veg, Dad? Is that going to feed all of us?
No, we'll come back and get some more later.
That's the pomegranate orchard, and all the little white dots are like packets. Yeah. They put the pomegranates, each pomegranate in a white bag to stop the insects from stinging and getting into the fruit. How was school?
Hey!
Hey, how was school?
We haven't tried a stretch on tree last
Come
time.
bring your bags in the
Oh,
car.
what?
In the car.
A cheetah stretch on my stool.
Tree.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Oh my word.
My friend.
Noah's just told me that there was a cheetah that scratched on their tree at school.
Eva's lap?
Maybe it came down the mountain and scratched on the
Rebecca's
tree
lap or Oprah's
during the
lap? You
night,
choose.
eh? I see you all still enjoying the pomegranates. Fresh bedding for the chickens. Say hello to everyone. These are beautiful Rhode Island Reds who are giving us up to 36 eggs a day now.
What animal is that? How do you zoom on this camera? Oh, there. Oh boy, the battery's about to die. Jess is gonna kill me if it does. I'll save you.
I'm going to start my edit now. It's 5:45. I have to start now because it takes roughly 5-6 hours just to edit a vlog. Tomorrow I have to be up by 5 o'clock because I'm shooting for Dacia. They're releasing their low kilojoule wine and they want photos and maybe like a small little highlights film of the event that's going on tomorrow morning. I think it's like a press release or something. Are you going to come keep me company, Daisy, while I edit my vlog?